The tool that you see on the screen is made in Israel and China and is designed for manual sanding. It's the perfect helper for effective and easy sanding of corners, narrow and hard-to-reach places. The manufacturer is convinced that once you work with this tool, you won't want to go back to any other products. It weighs 0.3 pounds and is effective on flat and curved surfaces. The sandpaper is fixed with Velcro and has a base diameter of 6 inches. Thanks to the detachable ergonomic handle, it's very convenient to work with this tool. The price is $17. The next tool will appeal to welders. This clamp allows you to quickly weld details at an angle of 45 or 90 degrees. The manufacturer offers two models: a 1.5 pound tool with 88 pounds of force, and a larger version weighing almost 3 pounds with 165 pounds of force. The built-in neodymium magnets eliminate the need for external fasteners and make it easy to work with round and square tubes as well as other details. A bit of innovation. The manufacturer assures us that this is the world's first cordless tool that allows you to cut and bend rebar. It's ideal for bars from 0.3 to 0.6 inches in diameter, and at that, 0.4-inch bars can be bent 3 at once or cut 2 at once, and 0.5-inch rods can be bent 2 at a time. The bending angle can be adjusted conveniently with a special dial, and the practical shape of the casing makes it possible to place the tool sideways. Battery life depends on the rebar's diameter. For example, if it's 0.6 inches, you can perform about 130 cutting or 140 bending operations. It comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and a case. The handheld riveter has a different shape than many of its competitors, and for good reason. The manufacturer is convinced that this design is optimal for professional use for a long time without interruptions. Thanks to 3 interchangeable tips that can be quickly installed with the included wrench, the model is suitable for working with aluminium, steel, and stainless steel rivets. With a diameter of 1/8, 5/32 and 3/16 inches, the tool weighs 6 pounds and is 33.5 inches long, and when folded, it's compact enough to take up little space in the workshop. Norwegian specialists offer an interesting product. This stapler performs fast and high-quality fixing of various cables on plasterboard and wooden surfaces. The manufacturer notes the capacious magazine, 30 staples of 15 different sizes, and the ability to easily insert and pull out the staples. The focus is on quality and time-saving ergonomics, so the stapler can be easily handled with a hammer. A wide variety of cables can be successfully stapled. For example, the manufacturer offers staples for 3 by 1.5 square millimeters and 2 by 4 square millimeters. The wide versatility makes the stapler an excellent helper, both for home repairs and in commercial endeavors. Forget the troublesome installation of sockets and switches. This attachment makes cutting holes extremely easy. Thanks to a patented technology, you can make square and rectangular holes 4 times faster than with any alternative method. It fits any drill, and you need a 1/2-inch chuck. It's very easy to work with. Just mark the center, fix the bit in it, and cut the hole. Of course, it's designed for soft materials such as drywall, wood, plywood, fiberboard, and others, but it potentially saves a huge amount of time and effort. The price is $200. And replaceable blades will cost another $50. This tool will provide fast and high-quality soldering in hard-to-reach places, for example on drain pipes. Thanks to its compact design, it weighs 0.2 pounds and can be easily held with one hand. The tool can be used in any position, and the improved combustion chamber design allows for comfortable work in strong winds. The tool is ideal for working with sheet metal, and it uses cylinders economically thanks to simple and precise adjustments. It comes with 2 multi-gas 110 cylinders and 2 heads. The price is about $330. This tool will be useful for people who often work with drywall. It gives you the opportunity to properly place the tape on the joints of the drywall sheets. The model has several advantages, such as automatic moistening of the tape, a built-in cutting system so no tape is overlapping, and the ability to work on walls and ceilings up to 10 feet high. At the same time, the fluid consumption is quite modest. A full tank is enough for about 490 feet. Plus, a special small roller makes working in corners easier, and the rubberized handles won't slip in your hands. This tool will come in handy when working with fittings. Its key advantage is its compactness. It's easy to use even in tight spaces, and together with the crimping tool it weighs 11 pounds, allowing you to operate it with one hand. Metal fittings from 0.5 to 1.4 inches in diameter and plastic fittings from 0.5 to 1.6 inches in diameter can be handled. Thanks to a cold-resistant battery pack, the tool will keep working even at 14 degrees Fahrenheit, and the crimping force is 19 kilonewtons. The cost is approximately $2,500. This multi-tool can help you clean your AR-15 weapons, hiding practically a mini workshop in its casing. For only $35, you get more than 10 tools for comprehensive cleaning, including a small and large firing pin scraper, an extractor scraper, several brushes, and a pin punch. Yet, the multi-tool weighs only 0.3 pounds and is very compact thanks to its triangular shape. All tools are labeled, which is useful for beginners. Cleaning will be not only effective, but also get done properly. And the convenient nylon pouch included in the kit makes it easy to store and transport. Next in line is a very expensive machine. This polishing and sanding tool costs about $55,000. For this money, the manufacturer promises excellent ergonomics, quality processing of corners and other difficult areas, as well as the ability to connect a vacuum cleaner. The machine weighs 22 pounds and has a disc diameter of 7 inches. The case is quite interesting. You can buy it separately and then combine it with existing grinding and polishing tools. This is possible thanks to a simple adjustment in the system of adaptation. The base of the construction is powder-coated steel. The disc is made of aluminium. The connection for vacuum cleaners is universal, and the rotating wheels and rubberized handles offer comfort when working long hours. During construction work, it is often necessary to mark the desired length of the material with a pencil. This is not always convenient, so the creators of this tool offered an interesting alternative. The M1 caliber allows you to measure materials right during the sawing process. You just have to clamp it to the saw or to a flat surface in front of another tool. Then, the edge of the workpiece is set under a special roller, the rotation of which allows the device to display the exact length. Switching to different units of measurement is available, and the length can be controlled on both straight and beveled cuts. The tool runs on 2 AA batteries, which will last 15 hours. The price starts at $100. Drilling holes at an angle, as the manufacturer of this guide system points out, is often difficult. Why not make the job easier? Sure, you'd have to pay about $500, but it would save you a lot of effort, nerves, and time. The model allows you to set the desired drilling angle quickly, easily, and without electronic features. Thanks to 2 large handles, clamps, and special attachments, it's convenient to work both on flat and rounded surfaces. However, some YouTube users note that for this price, you can find a fully fledged drilling machine. What do you think? A slightly more specific product, a smart adapter for combining clamps. It's designed for the Wolfcraft EasyH Pro and Easy Series clamps, and will save you money by not having to buy larger and more expensive clamps. To connect the clamps, simply insert their ends into the holes of the adapter, and you get a 6.5 foot long clamp. Unlocking is available at the touch of a button, and compatibility is ensured by a special sleeve. You'll need to remove it to work with the Pro series. The developers are confident that the adapter will be of interest at least to workers who assemble large components and glue furniture. It costs about $42. This system is ideal for fence and deck building, sign installation, and more. Explain its manufacturer. It's equipped with a 13 horsepower engine and boasts the best performance in its class. Some of the most interesting features are the Z-Link technology, thanks to which minimal changes in the position of the machine during drilling are ensured, the special spacers that facilitate the lifting of the drill, and intuitive operation. The model weighs 600 pounds. Thanks to the wheels of different sizes, 11 and 18 inches respectively, it's quite maneuverable. In addition, the design is optimized to be transported in the back of a pickup truck, so it's not necessarily to remove the drill.